Welcome to techtravellershub. Today I am going to unbox OnePlus Bullets wireless Z2 Beyond Bus IC. Charge for 10 minutes, enjoy for 20 hours. It is advertised so hope it will work as it is mentioned here. Okay, 30 hours of battery, 12.4mm dynamic drivers for deep bass, IP55 water and sweat resistance, loud and clear, anti-distortion audio technology, AI call noise cancellation, clean voice audio, comfortable all day use, skin friendly. This is the neckband. Okay, red color. It's really nice. Dimension 12.43 into 7.45 into 1.31 centimeter, weight 26.65 gram. This is the charging cable. Okay, maximum sound pressure level 102 dB, Bluetooth version Bluetooth 5, battery charge method USB-C type charging, 220 milliampere battery capacity, up to 30 hours, 50% volume play. Okay, button press, double press, triple press, press and hold, control, magnetic control, water and sweat, IP55 rating. Fast pairing only support the on OnePlus smartphones. Smart assistants available in the box. One pair of OnePlus Bullets wireless Z2, 3 silicone ear tips, small, medium, large, one USB charging cable, one user guide, one safety and warranty card. It's really nice neckband, and hope it will perform as advertised. There is a user manual, OnePlus Bullets wireless Z2. Okay, this is the instructions. I hope it will work fine, viewers. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.